Greetings, folks. This is Scott with the Game Audio Institute, and we are back after a little bit of a delay, and I've got some interesting stuff. So we've pretty much reached a little bit of a pause on the scripting shorts, but we decided on what's the next sort of thing that we kind of want to focus on, and we've come up with an idea that we're thinking that we're going to be doing basically, and that is basically analyzing music systems of popular games. And this is just one of those kinds of things that we think is a really cool idea, and is also a very good idea in terms of like having skills in this particular kind of regard, because basically it's really important to analyze how the music is triggered, what kinds of states make the music trigger, from various points to various points. And of course, every single game is going to do that completely differently. So we're going to take a look at really popular games like Skyrim, games like Persona 5, and also Tetris Effect, at least to start. And we maybe do more. We'll do more. If you have any ideas of which ones you'd like to actually see covered in terms of this kind of thing, we're going to break down as much as we can about how these things, kind of work potentially. Leave comments down there and let us know what you'd like to see as far as, popular games that you might like to hear the analysis of the music system. And it's possible we may also get into the analysis of the audio system, but that's generally tended to be a bit more involved and takes a bit more time to look at. But we're at least going to try that kind of thing. We're going to try maybe different kinds of approaches, possibly like a podcast, possibly other ways of doing things as well. But anyway, we hope you'll join us when we get this up, and it'll probably be in about another week or so like that. But anyway, I hope this will help you get your game audio on.